Looking to conquer any terrain and style? Rev up your engine and leave your old ride in the dust with the new 2023 Toyota Tacoma and 2023 Toyota Tundra, here and available now at Conicelli Toyota of Springfield. With unstoppable power and performance, these trucks are built to take on any challenge. Plus, with special APRs available this month, upgrading your ride has never been easier. The new 2023 Toyota Tacoma is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a maximum towing capacity of 6,800 pounds. Its crawl control and available bilstein shocks make it unmatched, unequaled, and unstoppable. And the new 2023 Toyota Tundra, it was made for adventure and driven for memories. With iForce Max engine, you'll feel the power of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, giving you a maximum towing capacity of 12,000 pounds. Both trucks come with advanced suites of safety features thanks to Toyota's Safety Sense, ensuring that you and your passengers are always protected. Plus, with ToyotaCare covering normal factory scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, you'll have peace of mind on every journey. So what are you waiting for? Visit Conicelli Toyota of Springfield today on Baltimore Pike and take home one of these rugged beasts. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.